going on, y'all? Jimmy Macram. It's time for episode 13 of season 6 of Sons of Anarchy. Season finale. I've numbed myself appropriately. I'm ready for whatever happens after fucking Tara. One of my favorite characters made some very questionable choices. I'm ready for her to catch a bullet in the head. No, a lot of you were like, you really think Jax could kill Tara? Let me tell you something. After fucking season 5, I don't think there's anything Jax won't do. I learned my lesson. I don't need to be told twice like y'all. I got it. Let's get to it.
I love you, Abel. I love you, Thomas. More than anything or anyone. I always will. Everything I do is for my sons.
P.S. No niggas in the club. That was beautiful. I just felt like we were getting a lot of justification for Tara's death that's about to come up, and I'm not here for it. Knew it.
By this time, they'll know she took the boys. There's no turning back.
Do you think Teller would really kill her if he found out what she's doing?
Yes!
Yeah, well, I've just been staying busy. Tara's a shitty cleaner. There's a lot more to do. You dodged my question.
You gonna tell Jax?
No. He's got enough shit on his plate right now.
Yeah.
Good call.
I think I might have overshared on a few things.
It's okay. He knew you were gay.
Nero a deal, son?
Stockton. Be back in a few hours.
Shit.
Are you kidding me? I'm about to go catfight on a colored girl.
Mom, not today.
Very classy.
Mrs. Teller.
Suck my white crack.
We can't choose our family, right? My guess is you struggle with it every day. What you are, crashing into who you are.
Damn, that was cold. Good line.
Are we done?
Because if that happens, I promise you, son, it's gonna destroy you and everything else you love. You're a husband and a father and a man before all of this. Own your place.
CCH Pounder is great in everything I've seen her in. It's always a similar character. I've seen her, she's great in everything. Jack's gonna take that to heart, or is he pure Gemma now? Fucking hearing but never listening. Was she just begging for Tara's life right there? That's all.
Abel has to be close to his doctors. It's too risky.
Angel's out there trying to decide where to jump.
We need to find her first. To convince her that the club is depending on her.
And if we can't?
Jesus, right to it, Juice.
Then we do what we have to do.
Jesus.
Dubrowski can help. Have his cops keep an eye out. That's a good idea. Give him a call.
Once he jumps the gun, kills her.
I got business in Stockton. Legitimate business. Why am I just hearing about this now?
Come on, listen. Everything I've been doing has been headed in that direction.
Knew it was coming.
I'll pick up the...
Great response. Go ahead, Marcus.
Did time together?
Yeah, we know each other. But I don't keep secrets from friends. You ever think maybe all of these bad things that are happening to the mother of your children, just maybe that's because of some heinous thing that you did to another child's mother?
I don't know where you're going with this.
Please don't lie to me twice.
Look at that face. Jesus.
I heard what I needed to hear. We'll take your guns.
Our guys unload, give rigs the cash. See you next month.
Marcus didn't seem pleased at all. Nero's definitely not pleased.
Give him the money, huh?
Damn.
What is this shit?
Won't affect you directly, but I wanted you to hear it from me.
Lions and Niners, that be still on?
No, not anymore.
Sorry to interrupt.
Thanks for taking her.
Yeah, no problem. You off to see the pimp?
I am.
What was that for?
I don't know what I'd do without you. I love you, Wayne. I hope you know that.
Yeah, no way. Sure.
Yeah. My cancer wasn't exactly the retirement she had planned. She's in Boca. Hooked up with some guy with a boat. Goddamn boat.
Here comes Daddy!
Fucking Jesus. Look at that face. Looks hurt. Aww.
There is no other ending. All I see are the lies and the violence, and now it's changed you, turned you into a monster.
Agreed.
I'll go if I have to. At least I know I tried to save him from becoming what you are.
God damn.
And now you condemn your sons to that same torture. They will suffer. Witness.
You don't have to run. Not anymore.
What am I supposed to do?
Just be a good one.
What the fuck?
Save our boys.
Jesus.
Please.
I love you, Jax. But this is not gonna go the way you think it's gonna go. That was beautiful. But we got way too much time left. I need a break. As far as I'm concerned, the episode ended right there. Everybody's good. Everybody's happy. But we know that the lawyer has her address written down somewhere. God forbid Gemma or somebody gets a look at it somehow. I don't know. That's what I feel. Tara still ends up dead. Ah!
A lot of Stockton, a lot of Charming.
What the hell happened?
Would you come with me? Could you leave all this behind? Your boy, your club.
Jesus Christ. Are you dumping me?
Oh! I'm getting so much false hope. I don't like the way this feels at all.
Then I'll meet you at our house at 6 o'clock.
Fuck. Never mind.
Turn myself in.
False hope gone.
That's the only deal. Are you sure you want this?
Yes.
I'm not at all.
I've called my lawyer and he's putting it together.
False hope completely gone. I don't know if it'll help, but good job. Tara gets killed somehow. I don't know by who. Gemma, Wendy, Juice, who's a fucking maniac at this point. And Jack's like, fuck the deal, I'm not doing that. Alright, come on, don't give me this hope. I don't want it. I don't want it.
Surrendering buys me some good faith. Tara's lawyer thinks they'll settle for 25.
Jesus.
Roland, we got the club in a good place. And shit's a little bumpy with Brown, but that'll iron out. Should talk to Alvarez and Nero after the bye.
Oh. All quiet.
You're always talking about what is best for the club, Bobby. You leading is best. With him at your left.
Of course.
Thank you. I love you both so much.
Fucking sweet. This episode's over already. Ugh.
They're arresting him. Yeah. I guess Tara made a deal.
Shit. Shit!
Would you get my pills?
What? The heart ones?
Yeah. They're in my bathroom.
Absolutely.
In a white bottle.
Go ahead, stupid.
All
Walk
right,
away.
just-
You have time to fucking bolt, you idiot.
Relax, okay?
I know some of what's happening, son.
Guys will fill you in.
Someone better fill your mom in.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Like now.
Find it.
I miss you, brother.
Look at that face.
You betrayed me.
To the ceiling. Go to the ceiling.
Fucking juice. Oh my god.
It's the right thing.
I know.
Hurry up and kill her, get this shit over with. I'm so annoyed.
He's probably helping Jax.
All right, well, I'm gonna go wait outside for
Search the house! Oh, Roosevelt. This is fucking goofy. Oh, shit!
Tara didn't rat Gemma. Jax gave himself up to protect her. To keep her safe.
You got it.
Oh, shit!
After I go.
Take it. Oh, I don't need this shitty fucking music. Shut the fuck up. Jesus! The day is Alright, that was episode fucking 13 of season 6 of Sons of Anarchy. I took a little bit of a break, about an hour and a half. I took a walk, got something to eat. I feel better. I'm still highly fucking annoyed, except I just have a little more clarity on why I'm annoyed. Before we get started about why I'm annoyed, let me ask you for the favor of not typing, that's how you know it's a great character. Because if you didn't care, that would mean please shut the fuck up. I don't particularly enjoy that comment. You read it everywhere, people's trying to sound deep. Please shut up. We all get it. Enough. That aside, I'm so annoyed. I'm still very annoyed. And a little disappointed in the show, I'm not gonna lie to you. Not for killing Tara. I think we all kind of saw that would happen. I know what you're saying. Jimmy, if you fucking guess something 50 episodes in a row, eventually you're probably gonna be correct. Fair enough. But, I think this episode kind of telegraphed it. And I gotta be honest, once she took the kids, I didn't really see a way out of her dying. I thought Jax would be the one to do it. The fact that it was Jim bothers me to no end. Yes, it makes sense. Yes, it fits her character. Yes. That's not the issue. My issue is, I feel like we chickened out of Jax doing it. Because that would have took him down a path I don't think he could have recovered from, as far as the villain goes. But I wouldn't care for it. And we did it to Gemma. We gave it to Gemma. And not even like an evil Gemma. This is a Gemma who's frequently flies off the handle, and she heard the wrong thing, and then she fucking kills Tara, and then she gets to explain to her, etc., etc. We've already seen that how many times before? We've already seen that. We've seen it on the show. With several characters. All right, we got it. I'm so annoyed. He doesn't hate that I'm over Gemma, and have been over Gemma for at least 2 seasons now. I used to love her season 1. You know this. Love Gemma. But shit. How many seasons I have to watch her do awful shit, and then she pays for it emotionally, but without any actual... I don't know. I felt like her character was done. By done, I mean did everything I even give a fuck about. Fucking 2 seasons in a row. I feel like if that wasn't Sutter's wife, she'd been off the show already. Like, I'm done with Gemma. I'm done with fucking Tig. I like Tig, but... I want to be positive. I like the show. I'm so annoyed. And then Juice kills Roosevelt just like that? Because what, Gemma saved his life? So you're going to save her? Roosevelt got the short end of the stick this season. He was fucking shoved to the background and then killed unceremoniously. It's so fucked up. He's not the guy that probably should have left a fucking season ago. I'm so mad. Now I gotta sit through a whole season of what? The kids asking where mommy is and watching Gemma make faces like, oh, she took a trip. Then Jax finds out, oh, boo! I'm so annoyed. I think I'd be more happy. I'm an idiot. I think I would have been happier if fucking Jax did it. Yes, I would hate Jax for it, but at least we're going somewhere. At least that's something fucking different. It shows that he has no bottom. And then we do the whole fucking... Once fucking Jax agreed, I felt better, and then... when he was in the hotel room, I felt even better than that. But once that happened with like 20 minutes to go, we all know where this goes. Why do we have to watch Tara walk around smiling? We've seen this episode of TV before. Oh, boo. Boo. I'm so annoyed. It was just 5 minutes of me fucking yelling about the same thing over and over again. What an uninteresting 5 minutes that would be. Especially if it was spread out to fucking 5 seasons. Ugh. There was other stuff that happened. I don't particularly care to remember it. Full disclosure. I'm so annoyed right now. I know that's not a shocker. Here's where I would say you don't know. If I was not watching this on Patreon or on YouTube, I would drop the show right now. I've dropped other shows for less, where I was not this upset. Maybe I'll feel better in the morning. Post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.